for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little octopus. So if you like fish things like I do, I think you're going to have a great day in doing this lesson. So if you have your creative pencil and you got some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson? Simple. You can check out cool things that are in the ocean, or maybe insects or other types of animals that are roaming around the earth. But check out on the internet and you'll be surprised on some really fun looking characters that you can turn into some unique characters in cartoon. So that's your challenge and I hope you really try to investigate on that one. All right, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.